another young life lost, but this mother says police and professionals are to blame.
I felt at peace that Melissa was going to be safe. They had control of him.
But this woman says her daughter's killer walked away from a mental health facility, murdering Melissa Rodriguez and dumping her body in an open grave.
Now, the parents of Melissa Rodriguez filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Lasting Hope Recovery Center and the city of Omaha this summer. They say it's not about the money, though. It's about the message and making sure changes are made so this never happens again.
Here's KETV News Watch 7's Melissa Fry.
They don't know where to go, don't know what to do.
A lot of young women are in dangerous relationships. Angela Rodriguez knows firsthand. Her daughter Melissa was assaulted by a boyfriend one too many times. Authorities knew that, and they issued an arrest warrant for Michael Lloyd. That was before Melissa's death.
There was no mystery that he was going to commit an act of violence against Melissa Rodriguez.
Brian Jordy is the Rodriguez family attorney.
The police said he was dangerous. He had an arrest warrant. He committed violence against her. He wants to kill people. How is he not dangerous?
Jordy filed these documents. August 8th, 2013. Lloyd goes to Omaha Police Headquarters. Officers take him to Lasting Hope Recovery Center, believing he's a danger to himself and to others. While there, Lloyd makes a number of phone calls to Melissa. August 12th, he makes a different call. This one to Omaha Police.
Lloyd tried to turn himself in, believe it or not. The police show up at Lasting Hope, and Lasting Hope says, no, we still have him. They turn the police away.
But 2 days later, on August 14th, Michael Lloyd would walk out of Lasting Hope Recovery Center on his own.
The only way that he could have walked out is either pure incompetence or someone finding that he is totally fine and fit to be roaming around the streets.
Michael Lloyd is serving up to 30 years in prison for killing Melissa Rodriguez. Her mother has made it her mission to make a change in state law, a change in procedures. Anything to restore trust in a system she feels failed.
Someone being held accountable will never take away the piece of our heart that has been torn out. I mean, until the day I die, I will have that hole there.
Melissa Fry, KETV, Newswatch 7.
Attorneys for Lasting Hope Recovery Center and for the city of Omaha declined to comment on the case pending litigation. The judge has not yet made his ruling. We will, of course, keep you updated.